In this video, I'll show you how to turn off TalkBack on your LG Smart TV. So every time you select an item, there will be a voice, a very annoying voice telling you what's happening on the screen, what change you made. And if you want to turn this off or maybe on, I'll show you how to do it. So take your remote control and we need to go into the settings. So go ahead and press the settings button on your remote control. On some of them, it's located on the top right corner. Some other LG remote control are located in the middle. It's a cog wheel. So go ahead and press on that button. Once you do this, you're gonna have a menu appearing on the left screen, or sometimes it's on the right, depending on the LG model you have. You need to go down and select all settings. Press OK on the remote. Then go down and select General. Once you're in the General menu, go down and select Accessibility. Press OK on the remote. And finally, it's the first option, Audio Guidance. So right now it's turned off. If you want to turn it on, simply press Enter here. You see, you can hear it. If you want to turn it off, click on it once and the small toggle will switch off. So this is it. Very easy to do. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.